A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a class action lawsuit supported by Clive Palmer regarding alleged COVID-19 vaccine injuries has been dismissed by the federal court. The lawsuit, filed on behalf of 3 men claiming damages for adverse effects from vaccines approved by the federal government, faced scrutiny over its complexity and length. Justice Anna Katzman found the 5th iteration of the claim to be tortuous, spanning an extensive 819 pages. Despite doubts about the viability of the case, Justice Katzman has granted the plaintiffs another opportunity to revise their claims. This lawsuit is just one of the many political narratives unfolding as Australia approaches its upcoming elections. Opposition leader Peter Dutton has made headlines by promising a $15 million investment towards suicide prevention. In a joint statement with Shadow Health Minister and Ruston and Liberal candidate Katie Allen, Dutton emphasized the coalition's commitment to reversing mental health funding cuts made under the current Labour government, aiming for a zero suicide goal in Australia. Meanwhile, the Albanese government is making its own promises, pledging $1 billion for free mental health services, which includes $225 million for new mental health centers. As both parties vie for support, housing and rental issues are also at the forefront of the political discussion. Shadow Housing Minister Michael Sucker has claimed that reducing immigration is crucial for easing the rental crisis, proposing a cap on international students and a significant cut to net migration numbers if the coalition regains power. Environmental issues have also taken center stage, particularly regarding the Great Barrier Reef. The Prime Minister announced a $10 million package aimed at promoting the reef, which includes educational initiatives for young Australians. However, environmental groups have urged the government to implement more substantial climate policies, emphasizing the need for significant reductions in climate pollution to truly protect the reef. In a related context, criticism has been directed at Dutton for past comments about climate change that were perceived as insensitive. The president of Palau, Surangil Samuel Wicks Jr., has called on Dutton to avoid further mistakes that could damage Australia's relationships with Pacific nations. Dutton's previous remarks, made in jest, about rising sea levels have resurfaced as a point of contention, highlighting the sensitivities surrounding climate discussions in the region. As the election approaches, the coalition's energy policy is under scrutiny. Liberal energy spokesman Ted O'Brien has refrained from committing to the Paris Agreement, citing the need for a thorough analysis of Australia's emission reduction trajectory. In contrast, the government is pushing for an accelerated deployment of renewable energy as part of its climate strategy. In lighter news, the political fashion scene has not gone unnoticed. Prime Minister Albanese's outfit during a recent visit to Green Island drew mixed reviews, with fashion critics suggesting he could have made more beach-friendly choices. The political landscape is heating up as candidates prepare for the elections, balancing serious issues with public image and engagement strategies. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.